Okay, hello everybody and welcome to our new semester, Environmental Science 1. I think it says 001, but I just think of it as Environmental Science 1. My name is Joan Stevens. I'm your instructor. I'm very excited to be guiding you through this introductory journey into environmental sciences. It's a really broad field and I think very exciting one right now, especially. In this class, we're going to explore a lot of topics that are completely relevant to your lives and to your communities. Things like climate change, how we use resources, how much waste we produce, how we consume, and what the impact of our choices are on the broader planet and to other people. So it's a super relevant course. All right, let me just close that little reminder down. So this course is fully online, so we don't come to campus, we don't meet in person, we don't even have online synchronous class time where we all meet together, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it also makes things challenging for people. So it's all on you. Please expect to spend about 12 hours a week on our course content. Some weeks it may take a little longer, some weeks it might not take that long. But you know, actually one of the early assignments is to schedule out those 12 hours a week and submit that to me so I can help support you in putting the time in that's going to get you to succeed in class. Let's see, working through course materials, doing different activities, completing assignments, interacting with other students online, mainly through discussion boards, but there's at least one thing where you'll be working together to make a presentation. So you just have to overcome some hurdles to make that happen. So yes, indeed, we will not be meeting face-to-face, but it's not like you're just taking a course with a computer. I'm a real-life human. And I really, really stand for my students to succeed. Like it's important to me. And success doesn't mean you get an A. You might get an A, you might not, but I want you to feel like the work that you put in actually got you a better understanding of the world and that you feel satisfied with whatever grade you get in the end, that you feel like it was fair. So please understand that I will be sending out Canvas messages, announcements, I'll make comments on the work that you submit. And I also have office hours online via Zoom, and that information is on the front page of our Canvas course. I think you'll be seeing that because this is where I'm going to post the video, and also in the FAQs. So to get started with the course, please work through the modules in order. So the first one is the frequently asked questions. You don't have to read the answers to all those, but just know what's there. And then go through the week module orientate, the week 0 module that's all about policies like late work and attendance and plagiarism and all that kind of stuff. And then the orientation module that kind of just gets you acclimated to the course and also thinking about metacognition, which will be your friend if you really take that on, not just for this class, but for others too. And then when you're done with that, you can start going through the week 1 module. So I have office hours from 11 to 11:30 on Mondays. I hope to see you there. And you can find the Zoom link on the home page of our course and also in the FAQs. Didn't I just mention that? I think I did. Anyway, I look forward to getting to know you, and I hope to talk to you soon.